Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the shot chart on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Select a league. Tap on it, click on scores, select a date, and after that tap on a particular match that you are interested in. After that, you should tap on the Gamecast section that you will see at the top on the left side, then scroll down until you find the shot chart section. Tap on show filters, and here you can set all quarters, first quarter, second, third or fourth. Here you can check them out. You can set players if you would like to. You can see it on the shot chart. You can set the other players from the other team, and here you can see it on the shot chart. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.